Hi everyone, today I'm going to start my boat restoration project and I need your help. What I want to do in this video, which is going to be part 1 of 2, is I want to go around the trailer and show you a lot of the things that need to be repaired, or should I say rejuvenated, and see if I can get some ideas from all you great DIYers for the best way to do some of these things. I've never worked on a trailer before, and you can see this one needs a lot of work, little things that I'm hoping you can help me with. So let's renovate a trailer. Renovate? Rejuvenate? No, reconstipate. No, here we go. So one of the first things I need to work on is these boards here. Problem I see is, I don't know if you can see right here, there's some metal. It's going to be hard to do this with the camera. There's some metal parts coming through over here and over there. So I need to put new ones on. I went to the store and bought one of these pad things. It's a gas grill mat, and I'm actually going to put that on there. You can see it's a regular mat type thing. It's designed for being wet, so I thought I'd cut a couple strips of this and put them over kind of like that. Are you able to see this? There we go. So put them on like this here, and I think I'm going to leave these here and just put this over it to make it a little softer. So that's one of the things I need to do. Let me put that over there. Also, I'm going to hit this with WD-40 and so I can loosen it up and adjust them. So one of my questions is, this had that boat on it, and I want to put my Panga on it, which is a deep V, okay? So how do I fit this so the Panga will fit properly? Do I put the boat on and then lift these to touch it? Do I make some kind of a mold first to put here? And I really have no idea how to adjust this part here. Okay, my next question is the tires. I actually changed those 18-inch tires to these 20 inches. So these are brand new tires. They look great. So I changed that a couple days ago. But how do I grease the axles? I'm concerned about that. Now this one here, as you can see, it has this cap on it. Problem is, on this side, I don't know how you're going to see this with the sun, the cap is missing. As you can see what's in there. I can't get down that low, but the cap is missing. So can I buy just a cap for that? Do I hit it with aluminum foil or something and duct tape? Do I need a pressurized cap? And how do I grease that? I did see Walmart has different kinds of grease that I could put in there. I don't know if it's a pressurized thing or whatever it is. So that is my second question. Now, another thing I got to do is I need to sand. I'll probably do this sometime during the week. I'm going to go ahead and sand down the trailer itself and paint it. I did buy a Rust-Oleum flat black, I think it was a primer and paint together. So especially you can see it's starting to rust here, so I'm going to sand that down and paint that up so it looks good. Let's see. I'm not sure what I really have more that I need to do with this, other than I did get this extra runner thing down here with the boat, and I'm not sure how it's going to go over here. You can see there's quite a pitch, and my Panga is pitched pretty, it has a pretty good pitch at the front, and I think I might just wait to get that on to see how that should work. And of course the Panga, I still need to make, the hook in the front of the boat, kind of like this one here. The Panga still doesn't have that hook right over there to connect the chain to, or handles on the back. So I'm going to have to put those on the Panga too. I'm going to uncover that and start working on sanding a little bit more this week. So that's where I'm at with the trailer right now. If you have any suggestions of what I should do with it, how to adjust it, I haven't tried loosening those bolts to see if the boards go up or down or in or out. So how do you adjust your trailers? So that's where I am right now. I'm looking forward to your answers, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.